Have you ever had an amazing idea for a video, but no time, no design skills, and no expensive software to bring it to life? You're not alone. Most creators struggle to make videos that actually grab attention, until now. Because in this video, I'll show you how InstaDoodle, the world's first AI-powered doodle video creator, can help you create stunning whiteboard animations in just 3 clicks. Stay tuned, you're going to love this one. Let's be real, video creation can feel overwhelming. You've got endless editing timelines, complex animation tools, and hours of effort, only to end up with something that barely gets engagement. Viewers today scroll fast, they want simple, emotional, story-driven visuals. That's why whiteboard videos are so powerful. They hold attention longer, simplify complex topics, and actually convert. But traditional whiteboard tools? Expensive, clunky, and slow. That's where InstaDoodle changes everything. Meet InstaDoodle, the world's first AI doodle video creator. It takes your text or idea, and automatically turns it into an engaging doodle animation video, complete with hand-drawn sketches, scenes, and even voiceovers. Yes, you heard that right, just type your script, click generate, and the AI does the drawing for you. No design skills. No video editing. No complicated setup. It's 100% cloud-based, so you can create videos from anywhere, on any device. Here's what makes InstaDoodle such a game changer. AI-powered doodle creation. Just input your idea and watch it come alive. 1,000 plus doodle assets, characters, icons, backgrounds, everything you need. Image to sketch converter, instantly turn your photos or logos into doodles. Voiceovers made easy, add AI voices or your own voice in seconds. Supports multiple languages, perfect for global audiences. Commercial license included, sell your videos and keep 100% of the profit. It's truly designed for marketers, educators, freelancers, and YouTubers who want to make professional content, fast. When I tested InstaDoodle for this review, I created a full SEO explainer video in under 15 minutes. The result? My engagement rate tripled, and viewers actually watched till the end. That's when I realized, it's not about fancy effects, it's about simplicity and storytelling, and InstaDoodle nails both. InstaDoodle gives you the freedom to create unlimited videos without paying monthly fees. You also get a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it completely risk-free. And here's the best part, if you grab it through my special link below, you'll also get exclusive bonuses like my video marketing blueprint and 10 doodle script templates to help you start fast. So if you're ready to create breathtaking whiteboard videos that grab attention and boost conversions, without spending hours editing, click the link in the description or visit techfee.com/InstaDoodle review to learn more and grab your copy today. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more AI tool reviews, marketing tips, and tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.